How does a dry cell generate electricity? We make use of dry cells in the Keech lights and Turpin sisters. As soon as we press the switch of the torch, the filament of the bulb gets heated up, and it begins to glow. Similarly, when we switch on our transistors, sound is produced. These devices get their energy through the electric current produced by the dry cells fitted in them. Do you know how electricity is produced by a dry cell? A dry cell consists of a cylindrical vessel made of zinc, a carbon rod with a brass capacitance at the center of this vessel. Zinc acts as the negative electrode and carbon as the positive electrode. A paste of ammonium chloride, zinc chloride, manganese dioxide, and carbon is filled in the vessel around the carbon rod. This paste is further surrounded by another paste of plaster of Paris, ammonium chloride, and zinc chloride. Plaster of Paris makes this paste hard. The zinc vessel is closed with a layer of pitch. Finally, the vessel is wrapped with a thin cardboard. This is how a dry cell is made.